Hey everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means I have YouTubers Nail Art Stamping Weekly Collabs. This week the host is Handy Helper. So she's recently pretty new to our group. She's been with us for a few weeks. But yeah, so I will have everybody's pictures at the very end of the video. As well, I will have everyone's links in the description box below, so be sure to check them all out. Everyone does an amazing job, so check them out and subscribe to their channels as well. And if you're coming over from one of their channels, I hope you like what you see, if you're new here. And hopefully you're subscribed as well. So we're going to go ahead and get into the video. So the theme this week is plaid. So I'm going to be doing a plaid design using some gray, gold, and purple. So we're going to go ahead and share all the products. So first up on my nails, I have Sally Hansen's Insta-Dry, and this is in Show Stealer. So I just have one coat on there. It's pretty opaque. I actually really love this gray. Next, I'm going to be using 3 different colors to stamp. So I have my Siat Mini What the Shell. I got this in my advent calendar, so I'm going to be stamping with this one. As well as this Born Pretty Store stamping polish. I think it's kind of like a purpley red kind of color. I don't know what name it is. It came in a little bit of a collection that I did a review like a long time ago about. And then as well, I'm going to be using this Moira holographic polish. I can't seem to find the name, but it says number 252. So it's kind of a gold holographic polish. And then what I'm going to be using to stamp is this Around the World 2 Bundle Monster stamping plate, extra large 1-5-6. So I'm going to be using that plaid image, of course, to stamp with. So I'm not going to be doing a ton of talking because you can tell my voice is a little bit off right now. So we're going to go ahead and get into the video. Alright, and that is the finished nail design. I actually really like how these turned out. They turned out really cute. So I've never actually done a plaid nail design, so this was something new for me today. But yeah, so I hope you like today's mani, and be sure to check out all of the other ladies' nail designs. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.